when of course, the planters came, first they tried to just come and take the land from us, but of course we wouldn't let them. We fought them. Garifuna people fought the planters for over 150 years. 150 years we fought them. But when you talk about Garifuna and the wars that we have with the British, they only account for 2 wars, the wars that basically happened the last 30 years. So you talk about the first Carib War, and then they talk about the second Carib War. Now, the second Carib War is where we were exiled. Basically, we fought for nearly a year, again, for our land, after the planters had petitioned, basically they petitioned a survey to send back to Europe saying that, hey, these people here, you know, they divided the Carib people with the divide and conquer. They had the original Caribs that they called red Caribs. Then they had a Carib that was a little bit of middle complexion, they will call them yellow Carib. And a Carib that looks like me was called a black Carib. So in their justification of taking the land, black Carib and a yellow Carib was of African descent, so they were not aboriginal to that land, so they didn't have any kind of justification or claims to that land. So what did they do? You guys are escaped slaves. And if you're escaped slaves, what are you? Your property, your commodity. So you don't even exist. You're not even human. You don't have no right. So if you have no right, once you're claimed to be a slave, you have no right for nothing. To anything, to land, to lay claims, to say that this is your homeland, even though they found us there.